Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a side-by-side makeup tutorial, one for oily skin and one for dry skin, with full product breakdowns, key ingredients, and tips so your makeup actually lasts and looks flawless, whether your skin gets shiny midday or flakes every time you apply foundation. If you learned something today, give this video a and subscribe for more real talk beauty tips. Comment below. What's your skin type and what products do you swear by? I read every comment. Let's get started. Step 1. Skin prep, the most important part. If you have combination skin where your T-zone gets oily but your cheeks feel dry, the key to great makeup is balancing hydration and oil control without overcomplicating your routine. Start with Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, a lightweight gel moisturizer formulated with hyaluronic acid that draws moisture into the skin while still absorbing quickly. This helps relieve dryness on the cheeks without making oily areas feel heavy or greasy, creating a smooth base for makeup. Step 2. Multi-priming. Use different primers. For primer, use just one balanced option like the NYX Plump Right Back Primer Plus Serum. This primer contains hydrating ingredients such as hyaluronic acid and electrolytes, which help keep dry areas comfortable, while its slightly gripping texture helps foundation adhere better and last longer on oilier parts of the face without becoming overly shiny. Step 3. Foundation. Balanced formula and concealer hydrating but long-lasting. For foundation, a natural finish formula like L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation works beautifully on combination skin. It offers medium, buildable coverage and contains glycerin for light hydration, allowing it to sit smoothly on dry patches while not looking greasy on the T-zone. Apply it with a damp makeup sponge and press it into the skin instead of dragging, which helps the product blend seamlessly over different skin textures. To brighten and correct, use Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, a creamy, lightweight concealer that provides good coverage while staying flexible enough for the under-eye area and stable enough not to slide around oily zones. Step 4. Targeted Setting Powder. When it comes to setting, focus only on the areas that truly need it. Use Maybelline Fit Me Loose finishing powder on the forehead, sides of the nose, and chin to absorb excess oil and blur pores, but avoid heavy powder on the cheeks so dry skin doesn't look cakey or textured. Step 5. Bronzer, powder for structure, and blush for dry areas. For warmth and dimension, sweep on Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, a silky powder bronzer that blends easily and adds natural warmth without clinging to dryness. Add color to the cheeks with Milani Cheek Kiss Cream Blush, which has a creamy texture that melts into the skin and gives a fresh, healthy glow without emphasizing dry. Step 6. Highlight Optional Glow. If you want a touch of glow, apply Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder lightly to the tops of the cheekbones and brow bones, skipping the nose if you get shiny there. Step 6. Highlight Optional Glow. Finish everything with Milani Make It Last Setting Spray Original, which has a natural finish that helps melt powders into the skin, removes any dry or powdery look, and extends makeup wear while keeping both oily and dry areas balanced and comfortable throughout the day. This routine works so well because it uses lightweight hydration, a flexible base, and strategic powder placement to keep shine under control while still maintaining a smooth, healthy glow on drier parts of the face.